And then if you get stuck over here, once you get stuck, you gotta think in English.
O leo ke kaukala i le keo whaapupu mo le keo whakamali.
Mo whiliu mwhakoi au ke whio mai a Malaysia ma whipua.
O iai, taumatanga matungo whie.
Wa umaona keo ina.
O iai taumatanga ua uma na teo ina I te unga ese.
Kairi keo, kairi alo.
Whiliu whaau. Whawhau. Iei au. Ya whiama pakele, ma whatkua.
Tuki.
Mafua aso that was just a small vala. E fua le lau Samoa. Ya, alu ka inga sua, alu sa whai luma o le malu.
Iei mai lo, iei whaapera. Iei ka pai.
Kuia kuai, kuia kuai, kuia kuai.
Vai kama swali here, vai kama swali here, vai kama swali here.
Papai kele.
Fuelavelave, lupe means to raise up someone else. And it talks about your ancestors, the matai, starting from matai ali'i through to matai tula whanu. Yeah, like kaimea lea. When kaimea ko o koe numa le ia, the rest of you is going sao pa le oso mai lo ma sura ponga.
Mavai alia.
Ua apu ai tamari, papea whanu soli. What's a oto? They lay there. Oceana. Ala means it's a road. It's a road that's been well. Means it's well established.
Page 3 has 4 different versions of a whakarainga, which we'll cover later on, okay? Ma tō te whātaro whatuai, ma whakarei atu, e pa ia man manuia.
Ma tau te whaatai atu. Whaateiroa I atu. I pa ia mai mamalu o le aso.
E pa ia sa hoa poko. Pa ia aino malako kama, kam koe malako aino.
Aino tu.
Aino e. Aino mo.
Aino papa.
Brothers and sisters, we're all in the same boat. None of us are experts, otherwise we wouldn't be doing this class. And we can pretty much say after this week, we feel very proud to be Samoan.
But I realise that we stand not on our own, but we stand on the shoulders of those who have gone before. And if we don't know on whose shoulders we stand, how will the next generation stand taller than us? So this is for our family, for our children who are on their way, and for the other generations that we will meet and we will impact, that they would know whose shoulders they stand, whose shoulders they stand, whose shoulders they stand, whose shoulders they stand.
O le la au leo Soifua. O whapea lea. Whawhekai la whio mai. Ma niu mai makala mai au. Ma no le Soifua. Ma no le Soifua.
No, ai e pa muapu leali. Mea mo foi o ikonu ia kia. Ia pa muapu I long suafu pa ia. Au foi e ngalo se me kasi o mea no. O e labo le pua.
Do we got bass? Yes, we got bass.
What did he want here in the here? Mata we e kia ma manuia.
This is
Oi, por e fui, ma. means, okay?
Siva. Well, I find us a Siva, the mountain of Lord Savita, Strathmore. If you lead, you fall it. It's another of your fear, I'm to a silent valley. So we're talking about Sapa, Sassy, my love, love your smile. And my mouth is Sapa, my mouth, my musica.
Ia o Samoa. What's a also? Ah, what's the ano?
Don't fuck about it, that's what for
E pa e a sua, ma le vai whanua.
Whātara whātuai, ma whāwhenua i atuai, te pa e manu, o le te asu.
I ku au mā la kaua, e ngare kai ma le wā whonki.
Lau sungai whailau tusi, ma lau whono. Ta whetai lava le a whio mai.
O e ka wakanga o ngā ne keu keu wina. I ona keu mai se. Iu e se sila whaka hawa runga. Nau a whio le manu.
Aru mo keu ma kōkō whaliu. O pa ia i o sa. Waka o, hao se alo.
Ai mai nā! E ka pēr! E ka pēr!
When you're in there, everyone is the same. You know, when you're in there, you start from the bottom, and as it progresses, you get your confidence and you learn to humble yourself as well as humble your culture.
It's all about you. This whole program was all about you. I was telling the group here, just after the first session, people walked in, you know, head down, shoulders down, crunching in, walking, body language, that kind of body language. Uncertain who they are, you know, not sure what's going to happen, a bit scared, or, you know, what to expect. Now, man, people walking out, shoulders up, head up, proud, happy, talking with confidence. And like I said, that's the power of Aganu'u. That's the power also of the love of God. And that's been shared.
This is your genealogy. No one can take it away from you. Doesn't matter whether you're born in Apia, Auckland, or Melbourne. No one will take these off. These are yours. This is your identity. That's what that line means. Makes sense?
Ai au te le tu Fuelavelave na mo iai le tu ya tu mai Noma and Matt. Peo te toa mo foi tai le va tau na whanua. Ono le aso o paia ma wa matu. Mo mo na mole atu whawtai suna whawhiangaina me se foi le paia ma matu le au whangaruenga paia le atua.
This shit, I'm gonna say it right now. Here is your auto correct with your kupe. Here is your mainoa. Here's your favela. Here's your tray with the biscuits and the yuzupo. Here is the what's up yuzupo. What's up cold beef? Costs $89 Australian. Okay. Secondly, I want to announce that you also got free to take home. So they're giving you more food. Here's a drink that's sitting outside. And then I'm also giving you a toba. Hey, so you know what to say in English. So you do it in Samoan, you get stuck. You know what to say in English, you know the process. Good.